Good afternoon and welcome to the new video from Convoy Cars. I'm very happy to showcase this 2022 Jeep Compass Model S optional. This is a diesel 2-liter SUV. It's a 5-seater vehicle, and this is the top-end variant that you can buy in this particular model, other than the Nighthawk edition or maybe something like that they call it in Jeep Compass. I am not sure. Anyways, so this comes fully loaded with airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, dual zone climate control, power steering, power windows, leather seats from the factory. There's a lot to showcase in this vehicle. The car has been maintained absolutely immaculate. It's a 2022 make and registration as well. It's done 38,900 approximately kilometers. The insurance of the car is valid till 2025 December. All 4 tires have been replaced in October 2024. The bill for the tires is available. The car was serviced about 20 days back at the Jeep outlet, and the bill for that is available as well. It's entirely maintained by Jeep. All service records available for inspection. So this is the 4x4 badging. That's the Jeep badging. It's an all black vehicle with those red accents that come from the factory to the vehicle. Looks pretty sporty, agile, rough and tough. Drives pretty smooth. This is the facelift one, so the latest Jeep Compass looks exactly the way this one looks. There's no difference in the current variant and this variant is the latest model design. So it is basically owned into a corporate name and then transferred to the individual. It's a second owner on RC. We have not yet done the interior cleaning of the car. It's absolutely non-accidental, absolutely scratchless vehicle. I'll take you through the interiors of the car as well. Sorry. So this is how the dashboard of a Jeep Compass looks like. Pretty sleek. Look at the blowers camouflaged into the dashboard, so you don't really notice where they are located. This is the start-stop button to start the engine. The instrument cluster comes completely digital. This is the touchscreen infotainment system, the multifunction steering wheel. This is your gear shifter. You get 4 driving modes here on this button. When I turn on the car, you'll see the display. There's a display here that tells you what mode you're driving on. These are the 4-wheel drive and hill descent and hold functional buttons. This is the climate control panel. Here you control the climate control options like temperature, blower, ventilators. Comes with nice brush finished chrome door handles, black leather door trims, good space for bottles. There are 2 big cup holders here as well. You can also keep your keys here. So there's a slot for the key, so the key goes here. You don't forget it anywhere, you just place it here. We will now turn on the vehicle. Gets the Alpine music system from the factory. Comes with the surround sound system. Brilliant animation on the instrument cluster. So this is the infotainment systems. Comes with the surround camera. That's a 360-degree camera. This is the rear view camera. Apple CarPlay and other things. There are lots of things on the menu here. So you can control a lot of options into music, into the car settings. Can be done from here. Now this is the display that I was talking about. So it's got sand and mud mode. It's got snow mode. It's got auto. And the 4-wheel options as well, sports mode as well. So this is how the instrument cluster looks like. That's the odometer reading, 38911. This gives, okay, by the way, this is the digital compass that is there in the car. So whatever direction you're driving into, it comes here. So currently the car is facing north, and that's why it's showing N with a red arrow. At the moment we change the direction, it will change to the direction that we're going into. Beautiful panoramic sunroof that comes to the car. This will be a better way of showing it. So entire roof for the rear passenger and the front passenger gets a sunroof. So the front half of the sunroof can be opened completely. The rear half remains as it is. Pretty clean, well maintained, just about 2.5 years old vehicle, so obviously as good as brand new. So I don't need to emphasize on the condition of the car, it's obviously as good as brand new. Gets electrically tinted mirrors, so the rear glass, rear lights of cars would not actually trouble your eyes. Well designed cabin. There's enough space, enough leg room for the front passenger, for the rear passenger. There are blowers at the rear as well. Reading lamps on the top under the handles. Pretty spacious, comfortable for 3 people to sit at the rear. Electrically foldable mirrors, automatic headlamps, rain sensing wipers. You talk about it and it's there in the vehicle. Feels really premium, up class product. The build quality of the car, the steering wheel, electric park brake, things like these make it really worth it. I would say, I mean, the updated, the facelift version, the one that we are right now sitting into and making the video, had this came into the Indian market in 2014-15, Audi Q3 or maybe BMW X1, ideally should not have captured the market. This should have captured the market because of the pricing, build quality. So a similar build quality like German make, and yet cheaper than those 55-60 lakh rupees vehicles. Equally powerful, equally presentable, equally beautiful. Almost all the features from those vehicles, in fact a few more than those vehicles, are present in this car. A very attractive price deal. Just about 2.5 years old vehicle. There's absolutely no noise in the car. It's just that I'm not wearing the seat belt, so the buzzer is beeping. Otherwise there's no trouble. There's no sound, there's no noise in the car. Absolutely silent cabin. A beautiful diesel engine which generates good amount of power, torque. With a 4-wheel drive, it becomes icing on the cake. So you get the go anywhere attitude because of the 4-wheel drive. The ground clearance is pretty good. The seating position, the comfort of the seats is very well. Comes with electrically adjustable seats from the factory. The seats are ventilated as well. So as per the air conditioning temperature, you can set up the temperature for your seats and they'll give you the same effect. It gets LED DRL from the factory. Once again, I'll brush up on the details of the vehicle. It's a 2022 make and registered vehicle. Second owner on RC, single hand driven, 38,900 approximate kilometers done. Jeep Compass, Model S optional, automatic diesel 4x4 with panoramic sunroof, LED DRL, touchscreen infotainment, 360-degree camera, wireless mobile charging, multifunction steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, everything is there in the vehicle. The car is absolutely spotless, as good as brand new, and coming for a very attractive price. The car is available for inspection at Navi, Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, near Gurudwara. Call me on 9768-001-006, or you can also WhatsApp me on the same number and you can ask for more details. You can ask for the location for test drive. Feel free to reach us. The car is worth every penny that you'll spend. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.